What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through very quickly how to turn on streamer mode on Discord. So all you have to do guys is simply go ahead and log into your Discord. Once you're in, look towards the lower left hand side and find the user settings gear. Scroll down on the left hand side guys till you find the streamer mode option. And from here, you will have the option to enable streamer mode. You can quickly toggle it on, and guess what? Streamer mode is now enabled. And if you want to go into those settings, you can simply click here and it's going to take you over to the keybind settings. Here you will see, and you can just take it from there. So guys, if you're looking to enable streamer mode and if you'd like to go to those keybind settings, you can quickly go ahead and go here to keybinds and you can find them as well. And guys, that's all there is to it. So if you want to turn on streamer mode, this is how you turn it on guys, by enabling streamer mode, by going to your user settings, find streamer mode and toggle this feature on. And that's it, and you can easily go ahead and set your key bins to simple toggle this feature on whenever you need to. It's super easy, very easy and very simple.